Hey West Hollywood, it's Ian Rhodes, your favorite local realtor with our newest West Hollywood area condo listing. What if your next condo was the perfect blend of quiet comforts and vibrant city life? Built in 2003 with only 19 units in total, you'll step inside over 1,400 square feet, two-level townhome with an open concept living and dining area, featuring a gas fireplace and an expansive patio with a garden-like view, complete with a tranquil fountain. The open kitchen offers bar seating, quartz countertops, and gas appliances. Downstairs, there's a convenient half bath for guests. Upstairs, you'll have expansive living with 2 bedrooms and hallway guest bathroom. The primary bathroom features an ensuite bath in its own large private balcony. So how does this give you both a lively West Hollywood experience and a peaceful retreat? Just steps away, you've got cool shade at Laurel Avenue Park, convenient grocery shopping at Trader Joe's, you can catch a movie at landmark theaters, enjoy top comedians at the Laugh Factory, and of course, all the other West Hollywood offerings, restaurants, shopping, and nightlife experiences. I'm Ian Rhodes, and this standout offering is your opportunity to make your move. Schedule your private showing today.